Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some goodies I received from Kraft Supplies for you. I am on their design team and I want to show you what they've sent me to work with for this month. Before I forget to mention it, they are having a 30% sale off of everything on their website, so pop over and check it out. They have got some fantastic products there. I will leave a link in the description box below, so don't forget that's 30% off of everything. That's a bargain. The sale finishes on the 15th of October. Okay, the first product that I've got in my little kit here is the Ranger's Embossing Antiquities powder in cobalt blue. I enjoy using embossing powder and I'm looking forward to trying this colour. The Stampendous Pearlized Mica Fragments is in this kit, and I have never used the micro fragments before, so I'm looking forward to giving that a try. I've also got these glass pebbles, and they're terrific for making your own embellishments or just for adding to a layout or card to add some glittery dimension. These EK Success Jolie 3D stickers that came in the pack, I can see lots and lots of ways that I can use this. My plan is to make some Christmas cards, so I'm going to use this on the Christmas cards. The dimension and the pattern of the sticker is quite good, I think. This recollection stamp has Christmas images on it, and that will come in very handy for my Christmas cards. There's a Santa, an elf, a reindeer and a few other things that relate to Christmas. I plan on using that along with the embossing powder and the mica flakes to create some pretty Christmas cards. Don't forget to go to Kraft Supplies for you for their 30% sale. I'll put the link below. And don't forget to come back and check out my video when I post it next, showing how I have made the cards with this pack.